student, in the lecture number 3 of the topic plane. Now in this lecture we are going to consider two very important problems based on the topic plane. Example number 1, find equation of the plane in vector and Cartesian form passing through the point A -1, 2, -5 and parallel to the two lines r bar is equal to 4i cap minus j cap plus k cap plus lambda bracket 4i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap, and x minus 1 upon 1 is equal to y minus 2 upon 1 is equal to z minus 7 upon minus 1 is equal to lambda. These are the two lines given, one in the vector form, second in the Cartesian form. Now A -1, 2, -5 is a point on the plane. Let R, x, y, z general point on the plane that we have to consider. AR is equal to r bar minus a bar, x plus 1 i cap plus y minus 2 j cap plus z plus 5 k cap. This we are getting from AR means r minus a, x minus -1, y minus 2 and z minus -5 is a vector on the plane. AR vector is a vector on the plane. Now P bar is equal to 4i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. 4i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap is a vector parallel to line 1, therefore parallel to plane because a line is parallel to the plane. And q bar is equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap is the vector parallel to line 2, that is parallel to the plane. Therefore from P cross Q gives you a vector perpendicular to the plane. And as I told you, to find out equation of plane always we have to find two vectors. One, a vector on the plane, and second is a vector perpendicular to the plane. And therefore AR vector now perpendicular to the P cross Q. P cross Q is a single vector, and therefore AR dot P cross Q is equal to 0, and this is the scalar triple product. Therefore determinant first row x plus 1, y minus 2, z plus 5. Second row 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. And third row 1, 1 minus 1. Third row 1, 1 minus 1. And then open the determinant. So that we are getting x plus 1 into 1 minus 3 minus bracket y minus 2 into minus 4 minus 3 plus z plus 5 into 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. That is minus 2x minus 2 plus 7y minus 14 plus 5z plus 25 is equal to 0. And simplifying we are getting 2x minus 7y minus 5z is equal to 9 is a Cartesian form. And the vector form is r bar dot 2i cap minus 7j cap minus 5k cap is equal to 9 is a vector form. For such problem 3 marks. Write down again in the classwork notebook. And second problem, find equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of two planes. Line of intersection of two planes, because the intersection of two planes gives you always a line. Plane 1 is 2x minus y plus z is equal to 3. Plane 2 is 4x minus 3y plus 5z plus 9 is equal to 0, and parallel to the line is given. X plus 1 upon 2 is equal to y plus 3 upon 4 is equal to z minus 3 upon 5 is equal to lambda. Let plane 1 is S1, plane 2 is S2. Then the plane passing through intersection of S1 and S2 is S1 plus k S2 is equal to 0, where k is a constant that we have to find. Therefore 2x minus y plus z minus 3 plus k bracket 4x minus 3y plus 5z plus 9 is equal to 0, equation number 1. Now simplify this so that 4x plus 2 into x common, minus bracket 3k plus 1 into y minus outside plus 5k plus 1 into z outside, z common, plus 9k minus 3 is equal to 0. Is it clear? This shape, this open it, and the next common, y common and z common. Now direction ratios of normal to the plane, 4k plus 2 x coefficient minus 3k minus 1 y coefficient, 5k plus 1 z coefficient, that is a1, b1, c1. And direction ratios of a line parallel parallel line is 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Denominator indicates the direction ratios of the line, provided numerator x, y, z first term and x coefficient, y coefficient and z coefficient 1, as I told you in the line chapter. And that considered as a A2, B2, C2. Now line is perpendicular to the normal of the plane, because line is parallel to the plane is given. That means line is perpendicular to the normal of the plane. Therefore A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. Condition for perpendicular in terms of direction ratios. Now substitute A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. 4k plus 2 into 2 plus bracket minus 3k minus 1 into 4 plus 5k plus 1 into 5 is equal to 0. And simplify. After simplifying, k is equal to minus 5 by 21. Equation number 2. And now put 2 in 1. Put 2 in 1 in place of k. And then again simplify. So that you will get finally 11x minus 3y minus 2z is equal to 54. And my request to the students, all of you yourself simplify this and get this answer. 11x minus 3y minus 2z is equal to 54. And this is the Cartesian form, and vector form is r bar dot 11i cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap is equal to 54. Such problem for 4 marks. Again I am reminding you, maintain your classwork notebook properly. Thank you.